Welcome back everybody, this is Snappy G channel, and this is I would like to bring you back into my very first tutorial, which is the shutter speed. And I'm gonna tell you more about how you're gonna use the shutter speed and how you're gonna apply into certain condition, and what you're supposed to do, when do you need that speed, and how do you want to use it, and what is the reason and the consequences if you're using that speed and this speed. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you where's your shutter speed and how do you control it. It's just simple, in case some of you still do not know. Well, I come here, I turn on the dial. As you can see right here, this one I can control it right here, and this thing is like, can increase. I'm increasing my shutter speed to my maximum, which is 1/8000, which is the highest speed, but it will not capture enough light, you know. And this is my lowest, which is the bulb. I can hold it how long as I want, but do take note, the longer you hold it, you will not capture the more light as you thought it would be, because the capturing light, you know, you shutter open too long, you won't be capturing so much light like you expect from 1 to 10 or 10 to 20. You cannot expect the same amount of light coming in at the same time. But now we're gonna talk about when you're gonna use it. Okay, like example, I'm using on this shutter speed of 1/225. You know, my speed will be sounded like something like wait, hang on, I try to take a pic. Okay, that's the speed and that's the light capture, but you won't see like that's enough light, because this is the only remaining thing, because the shutter speed is too fast. It's only capturing the light from here, which is the object when I'm taking it. I will show you in the computer demonstration. And then I try with another speed which is way more slower, perhaps 1 second. Wait, I'm gonna put in the demonstration. If I try, okay, I take. Okay, busy. Okay, this with the image is overexposed, but you can see it. You know, somehow, wait, I let the camera load. So you can see this thing here, right here. You can see the surrounding here compared to the speed just now I'm taking with this one, 1/225. The speed is higher, but the amount of light entering to the shutter is just very low. You need perhaps not enough, you know. And compared to this one, you allow 1 second to enter, you know, into your lens and your shutter. You get enough light like what you would desire, but you can't see clear. Okay, I'll try to put the image. I'll put it on that later. Okay, and this is how you want to use. But do take note into your account. The more you take this picture, you will get more motion. I'll give you this example right around here. I'll show you. Okay, so that's how you're gonna control your shutter speed, you know. Because you have to know one thing: the higher the shutter speed, the lesser the light enter into your image. This is a very simple thing, because it's just inversely proportional, maybe, if you know what is it. Because when you have to remember one more time, the higher the shutter speed, the lower the light amount of light in your image. The lower the shutter speed, the more the light. But you have to know that when you're opening your shutter, it tends to capture whatever light that coming into your camera. When there's any light that come into your camera, it will cause motion. When your shutter speed is just too slow, you tend to get motion. Like I give you an example, like I use 1 second out. This is how I move my camera. You will get a totally blurred image, which is nothing. But I try to increase my time. I try to increase my depth of field. Keep moving my camera. 6 seconds. And what will happen? Let's see the result. Busy. Something's really slow. You tend to get an image with this no detail at all, because there's just movement and nothing. When you compare it to the one with the highest speed, like example 200, it's already captured the image like you. Let's do it. You can't see, you know, the motion is just so little, 1/200 that you can see. So you have to know one more thing, way more simple and easy. The lower the shutter speed, the more the motion of the picture. Because of the motion, is something will cause blur, and you're maybe not happy. You really have to use tripod if you're really considering a low shutter speed. So I hope this tutorial this time really able to help you, and I hope you guys enjoying it. and I really appreciate it if you really subscribe to me or help or find this video useful to you, because oh well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your view. Thank you so much, and once more, this is Snappy G.